Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Anushka Maurya from class 11th Jai Hind College, and in this video I am going to share you my journey from home to college and somewhat a college tour. So without any further delay, let's get start this video.
1, 2, 3, go. Alright, I'm at Jai Hind College at the Zodiac Fest 25, and I want to tell you all one thing, that hope your degree is not a cheat code. Now you're on the Canteen! Because सारे के सारे colleges scam हैं.
Here around 9:30 I left my house and headed toward the route to college. As you can see, this is a way to my college. So first I have to walk a bit. So finally I reached the station and now I will catch a train. In morning and evening, it's usually very crowded in a train and over a station, but in afternoon, it's not that busy. Sometimes I get a seat and sometimes I don't. So finally, I reached the CSMT station, and as you can see, it is very crowded because it's a harbor line. I can use the metro or train from here, but I felt that it was important to walk, so I preferred walking from CSMT to Churchgate. This is a Churchgate station, and my college is at 2-minute distance from this station. So here is my ID card, as the guards check ID card, so I have already wore this. Here are some functions happening like related to Hoja Malo, Kalki or something, but I am not attending these right now because my terminal exams are approaching from 8 December. So I am in library and studying. I am currently studying using the computer because I have to attend some lectures. After completing my online lectures, I went to attend lectures from my teachers of college. After this, I went to the canteen, but I didn't eat the canteen food. I bring my lunchbox from home and eat that. Sometimes if I have practicals, then I attend them and get late. But today I don't have any practicals, so after eating my tiffin, I will go home. This wraps up my everyday journey from home to college, filled with walking, trains, a bit of chaos, and a lot of learning. Every day may feel routine, but it holds its own little stories. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into my daily life. Meet you in next video. Stay tuned and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.